Welcome to Foundations of Special and Inclusive Education. This video will focus on understanding learners with attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. ADHD is defined as a persistent pattern of inattention and/or hyperactivity impulsivity that interferes with functioning or development. It is a neurodevelopmental disorder that impacts a person's ability to regulate attention, activity, and impulse control. ADHD is characterized by two core symptom clusters: inattention and hyperactivity and impulsivity. Inattention involves challenges with focus, organization, and task follow-through. Hyperactivity and impulsivity relate to excessive energy, restlessness, and acting without thinking. A closer look at inattention reveals behaviors like not attending to details, difficulty sustaining attention on tasks, not following instructions, and seeming not to listen when spoken to directly. Inattention also includes avoiding tasks requiring sustained mental effort, frequently losing necessary items, and being easily distracted and forgetful in daily activities. Hyperactivity and impulsivity symptoms include fidgeting and restlessness, blurting out answers, difficulty waiting for one's turn, and being too loud or noisy. A key phrase describing this is always on the go, as if driven by a motor. Other signs include excessive talking, interrupting others, and acting without thinking. ADHD presents in three ways: predominantly inattentive, combined, or predominantly hyperactive/impulsive. The presentation depends on which symptom criteria are met. ADHD has biological origins and is not caused by factors like poor parenting or laziness. Known biological roots include genetic factors, fetal alcohol syndrome, prenatal cocaine exposure, and lead poisoning. Effective support for ADHD is a combined approach, including medication, typically stimulant drugs, and behaviorally based interventions, which involve therapeutic and educational strategies. Practical strategies for success include positive reinforcement, modifying assignments, and systematically teaching self-control skills like self-monitoring, planning, and goal setting. ADHD often co-occurs with other disorders, known as comorbidities. These can include anxiety, depression, learning disabilities like dyslexia, sleep disorders, and others complicating support needs. Key takeaways. ADHD is a brain-based neurodevelopmental disorder with biological origins. It manifests in three distinct presentations. Effective support is multifaceted, combining medication with powerful behavioral interventions. Thank you for engaging with this video on the foundations of special and inclusive education.